Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to connect your Y68 smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go. Alright guys, this is Josh here again and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to connect your Y68 smartwatch to your smartphone. So first we have here our smartwatch, and as you can see it is not connected yet, and also the time is not correct guys. Alright, so of course we need our smartphone. So first is just go to your Play Store and kindly look for FitPro. Okay, so as you can see there's already the FitPro app, and let's install it. Alright, so it is now installing. And now let's open the application. And it is asking us if we allow FitPro to make and manage phone calls, and just click allow, and just click on allow again, and allow, always allow. Okay, and after that we just have to skip. We don't have to really just register, so let's click open notification access. So let's turn it on, and then it said FitPro will be able to read all the notifications you receive, which may include personal information such as contacts and messages sent you and etc. Okay, so this is now the home of the application. So there's distance, consumption, which is the kcal, and your target, and it has also my health. So I actually connected this one with my other smartwatch. So let's try to connect first before we look at the feature. So set. Right, so when we click on the set, then we have here bind devices to experience more features. So let's click it and open the GPS or the location, and let's turn it on. Okay, and let's bind the device, and it is now scanning. Boom, you can see here LH726. So let's click it. Trying to connect. Yes, and it is already connected guys. So as you can see here in our Y68, there is a kind of a chain sign there, the orange one, so it means that it is already connected. So for us to test if it is really connected, so let's try to look at the application. Okay, and we have here, okay, so we have here the DND mode. Oh no, not the DND mode, the find. Let's click the find. Yes, and as you can see here, our smartwatch is vibrating, and it also said there again looking for. Yes, so it is vibrating guys. Alright, and now guys, so let's try to look at the feature of this application. So there's also the steps, as you can see, and also the distance, and for the health rating, so there's your BMI, and your body fat rate. Okay, and there's also sleep there, guys. So as you can see, there's deep, light, awake. So let me know if you want me to test this feature as I did before with other smartwatches. Okay, and now let's look at the set. So we have here the set area. So there's here alarms, long sit reminder, I think, and a remote take photo. So let's try, guys, to click this one and allow. Okay, as you can see, when you click that one, and you can put your smartphone away from you, and there's here camera. So let's try to press it, and there's the timer in our smartphone, and bang, I think it has already taken picture. So it is good, guys, if you are alone and when you try to take pictures just by yourself. So you can use your Y68 smartwatch. And we have here message push, so let's check it out. Okay, so there's calls remind, SMS remind. So it means if you get the message from your smartphone, then it will push the notification to your smartwatch. And there's also WeChat remind, Facebook. I think this is helpful for you guys. Twitter, Line, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Wow, that's nice. So let's try, guys, to turn on the Facebook. Let's try to check the SMS remind. Let's try to turn it on, and I will try to send a message to myself. So I'm just going to put my number and send it to myself. Okay, guys, so I'm already sending the message. Yeah, and let's send it. And let's wait it for this, and it is sent, guys, as you can see. So our smartwatch is, oh, it is not sending, guys. Oh, I think the number is incorrect, so let me input my number again. Yes, and let's put let's send it again, guys, to my number. Okay, and let's send it. Okay, yeah, and it's sent, and then voila, you can see this here. So there's now our push notification message, and let's try to find it in our message area if we have the message, and let's click it. And oh yeah, as you can see here, there's the messages. Okay, so if you're asking if you can respond to the text, no, you cannot, guys. Alright, so let's go back to our application. Then we have here reset the device. So I think that's quite obvious what it means. And other, let's click other. And vibrate setting, I think if you want to really make sure that you get the message, I think you have to leave it on. And motion, we have here walk, total mileage, run, and bike. So I'm not sure if it's really accurate, so maybe we can have the test that one next time. And then we have here the user profile, about, feedback, and your profile. Alright, guys, so for the time, I think that our time is already okay. So it's the same, 346 and 346. And guys, if you want to change the military time to the 12-hour time, so just kindly long press it, this circular button here, and touch it again and long press, and done. You can see the 12-hour format. Alright, so guys, if you have any questions about setting up your Y68 smartwatch, just comment down below. And if you have any suggestions about the smartwatch that we can review next time, then please feel free to comment down below. Alright, so if you like this video guys, kindly click the like button and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I will see you on my next video. Bye!